Every car you see on the road, every engine sound you hear at a traffic light, every steering wheel turned in a tight corner. All of it begins as raw, lifeless metal. But here's the part no one talks about. Somewhere between raw steel and a finished car, one tiny mistake can lead to recalls costing millions, or even put lives at risk. That's why building a car isn't just about machines and assembly lines. It's about pressure, precision, and responsibility. Today, you're about to see what really happens behind factory walls, the journey from raw materials to a machine trusted with human lives. This is how a car is built, from scratch. Step 1. Raw materials, the foundation of everything. Long before a car looks like a car, it exists as materials stacked in warehouses. Steel, aluminum, copper, rubber, plastics, glass sourced from all over the world. Each shipment is inspected, tested, and measured before it's approved for use. Why so strict? Because weak steel doesn't just dent easier, it fails in crashes. Poor quality rubber doesn't just wear faster, it compromises braking. Even slightly flawed materials can shorten a car's lifespan by years. At this stage, nothing looks exciting, but everything depends on it. Step 2. Stamping. Turning flat metal into shape. Now the transformation begins. Massive stamping presses, some weighing as much as a building, slam sheets of metal with thousands of tons of force. In seconds, flat steel becomes doors at DAC, roofs, fenders like hoods. Sparks fly as metal bends and forms. This is the first moment the car's identity starts to appear. Why this step is risky? If even one panel is stamped slightly wrong, it can cause misalignment across the entire body, leading to wind noise, water leaks, or structural weakness. One bad stamp doesn't affect one car. It can affect thousands. Step 3. Body welding. Robots build the skeleton. Now the factory gets louder and smarter. Hundreds of robotic arms move in perfect synchronization, welding panels together with pinpoint accuracy. Each weld creates the car's skeleton, the structure that protects passengers during crashes. Robots never get tired. They never lose focus. They weld the same joint thousands of times with microscopic precision. But humans are always watching. Why humans still matter? Machines see numbers. Humans see patterns, flaws, and potential disasters. This balance between robot precision and human judgment is what keeps cars safe. Step 4. Paint shop, where most cars fail inspection. This is one of the most expensive and stressful areas of the factory. Before paint, the body is cleaned, sealed, and coated to prevent rust. Then it enters a paint booth cleaner than many hospitals. Here's why. A single dust particle can ruin the finish, forcing the entire body to be repainted, costing thousands of dollars and hours of lost production. Paint isn't just about color. It protects against corrosion, sun damage, and environmental wear. After painting, each body is inspected under harsh lighting, every flaw exposed. Only perfection moves forward. Step 5. Engine assembly, where millimeters matter. This is where power is born. Engines are assembled in clean, controlled environments where temperature, humidity, and dust are carefully managed. Each piston, crankshaft, and valve is installed with digital torque tools that record every movement. High-stakes reality. If torque is off by even a tiny amount, vibrations can destroy an engine over time, leading to breakdowns, warranty claims, and massive financial losses. Some engines are tested before installation. Others are checked through sensors and data analysis. At this stage, mistakes are unforgiving. Step 6. The marriage. Body meets soul. This moment is known inside factories as the marriage. The painted body is lowered onto the chassis, engine, suspension, and drivetrain. For the first time, everything becomes one. This step must be perfectly synchronized. A misalignment here affects steering feel, ride comfort, safety systems. The factory grows quiet. Workers move carefully. Nothing is rushed. This is where a car truly becomes a car. Step 7. Interior installation. Human hands take over. Now the focus shifts from machines to people. Seats, Dashboards, wiring harnesses, screens, carpets, and trim are installed by human hands. Why? Because humans feel things machines can't. Workers notice uneven stitching, loose panels, uncomfortable seat angles. Machines build speed, humans build quality. This step defines how the car feels every single day to its owner. Step 8. Electronics and software. The car's brain. Modern cars are rolling computers. They contain hundreds of sensors and millions of lines of code controlling safety systems, driver assistance, infotainment, connectivity. Every system is tested individually and together. Why this matters? A software error doesn't just cause glitches. It can disable safety features or cause unexpected behavior on the road. This is where modern reliability is truly decided. Step 9. Quality testing. Trust is earned. Before a car leaves the factory, it's tested again and again. Water tests simulate heavy rain. Brakes are checked for consistency. Electronics are scanned for errors. Alignment is measured down to millimeters. Some vehicles are randomly pulled for destructive testing, never to be sold. The reason is simple. Destroying one car is cheaper than recalling thousands. Step 10. Final ignition. The moment of truth. Now comes the moment everything leads to. The key turns. The engine starts. The dashboard lights up. Months of work. Thousands of parts. Hundreds of people. All proven in seconds. If something fails here, production stops. If everything works, the car earns its place on the road. Final reflection. Why this journey matters. A car isn't just assembled. It's tested, questioned, proven. Every weld, bolt, and line of code exists for one purpose: to carry human lives safely. Next time you start your car, remember, it survived thousands of decisions before it ever reached you. If you enjoy learning how things are really made, if you care about reliability, engineering, and the truth behind the machines we trust, you're in the right place. This channel isn't about cars. It's about the stories, risks, and decisions behind them. If you want more factory secrets, recall stories, or why some cars last decades, stay tuned.